For over 145 years, the Swiss family-owned company Hug has shaped the tastes of generations. What began as a small bakery in 1877 is now a modern company. Even today, Hug lives the values of the founder: quality, innovation, and traditional pastries. With strong brands such as Wernley, Darvida, and Hug Food Service, the Hug family covers a wide spectrum. The existing machines for the Hug tartelettes production line have been replaced by modern Syntegon equipment. Ernst Huweiler and his team are responsible for project management for the procurement of new production equipment. What are the main criteria for Hug when selecting and purchasing new production equipment?
The classic criteria such as price-performance ratio and the footprint of the system are still there, but there are other benefits we get from this system, and then of course, the focus for us is on hygienic design and the fact that the system is flexible to add new applications that may come along in the future. One of the reasons we chose Syntegon is because we already know this partner. We were already familiar with the company, have systems in-house, and, thanks to the Beringen location, are also close in terms of language, mentality, and philosophy. We use this line to package around 60 different tartelettes, which are shells for the catering industry. The tartelettes are packaged in approx 20 tray variations. The main purchase reason was clearly the footprint, because we have very limited space and needed a narrow, compact system. As a quality leader, we deliver only flawless products to our customers, and accordingly, the tartelettes must be picked and packaged carefully. And now, with our product called Filigrano, the name itself indicates that the tartelettes are very fragile and must therefore be handled with great care. With the new system, we are ready for the future. We certainly have less repair work than with the old system. We have been able to increase production with the new line. We can now process twice the amount. And thanks to the system's automatic quality control, we also hope to see benefits because we currently have to carry out quality control manually with one person checking by eye. Clever solutions were found for the problems that needed to be solved. The solution process was also creative. Robustness is a key word. The design is robust and was made to last for a long time.
What connects us with customers like Hug? Shared goals, trust, and the desire to create a sustainable production. At Syntegon, only one thing counts: the success of our customers, today, tomorrow, and beyond.